What happens when vanilla meets cocoa and they decide to dance? You get the most gorgeous melt in the mouth marble cookies that look like art and taste like magic. Welcome to the slow whisk. These cookies aren't just pretty, they are soft, buttery, and packed with that nostalgic bakery style flavor but made with everyday ingredients right at home. In a bowl, add in some butter and sugar and cream them together until it becomes light and fluffy. Once you get this texture, now it's time to add in the flour. Sift in the flour so that we incorporate air into the cookie dough. Now you can add in some milk. Mix it all well and bring it together to form a nice dough. Once the dough is formed, make it into 2 portions and take one portion and you can add in some cocoa powder and a tablespoon of milk and now combine it well. This process does take a little time, but if you want that marble cookies and the marble effect, well, you gotta do this. And start rolling them out into small discs. And once done, you can stack them up the way I have shown here to get that marble effect. Place a white one and the one filled with cocoa. Alternate them. And you've got to chill. Roll it up in a cling film and chill it in the refrigerator for half an hour. And once that is done, take out the cookie dough and start cutting them as shown. Once you cut them into pieces and line them in the baking tray, you can bake it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. I'm sure your family members will appreciate the effort you put in to make these melt in the mouth marble cookies. And kids are definitely gonna love the designs. You'll start admiring yourself at the skills you possess now that you know how to make marble cookies using simple method at home. These cookies are best for your tea time snack or for those kids' lunch boxes or even as a light snack. You could alternate by using whole wheat flour instead of maida. I leave the choice to you. If you like the recipes I post, do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you all soon with a new recipe.